So hey guys, and welcome back. And today is a tutorial. This video, that is, and it's a tutorial on how to make flap tracks for your flaps. And yes, I'll show you how to build the newer version of flap. The older version you could build that one, but I'm going to show you how to build the newer version, the Fowler flaps, and other flaps that would do in the future. And before we get started, you can collect the pieces shown right here, and you can pause the video. Alright, and once you've collected your pieces, then you'll start to build the first track. Today we're building 3 flap tracks. So the first flap track is you're going to need one of these, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and a 2x12 plate, just like this. Then you place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 2x11 brick, which I didn't have that, so I made this out of plates, as you can kind of see. And then you can pause the video right there to build that. So I'll walk you through it. So there's a 2x4 plate, 2x8 plate, my bad, on top. Then there's a 2x3 plate, and all this is in gray and white. So there's a 2x4 8 plate up here, and then a 2x3 plate here, and then there's a 2x6 down below the 2x8 and 2x30. Then there's another 2x3 below the 2x8, and then there's a 2x2 below the 2x2. And then there's a 2x4 below the 2x2 and the 2x3. Then there's another 2x3 below the 2x3 and the 2x6, and then there's a 2x4 below the 2x6. And then you place this right here, just like that. You should have something like this. And this one's the inner one, flat track. And then you put one of these. I don't know what it's called. I believe it's called a 1x2 with the angle kind of thing. It needs to be like this. Of course, you don't have to. You can put this in multicolor if you want, but I'm throwing in gray and stuff. And then you should have something like this. Then you grab a 2x8, I believe. No, not 2x8. You grab a 2x10 and then a 2x2, or you could grab another 2x12. And then you put these right just like that. And then you have something like this. And then you put a 2x2 angle piece, and then you put one like this. And then you grab your 2 1x8 tiles and place them on just like that. And in order to connect this, you put one of these, which has like that, and then you put this here, and then you can connect this to your flap when I show you how to make that. So that's the first one. And then the second one, grab I believe it's a 2x8 and then a 2x4, if I'm not mistaken. And then you place this 2x6 brick on top, just like that. Like sort of like that. And is that correct? No, that isn't. Sorry about that. My mistake. So you grab a 2x8, and then sorry about that. You got 2x8. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry about that. That 2x10 was actually for the next flap track. I'm sorry about that. Here, let me take that off. So that is actually supposed to have a 2x8 and then a 2x4, I believe. Give me this. I'm sorry about that. And then put 2x8 on just like that, and then you get what I mean. You could 2x8, no, 2x4. What is wrong with me today? I'm sorry about this, but I'm trying my best. So first you put 2x4, then you put a another 2x4 like that, and then you get what I mean. You do what you did last time, and like that. Alright, anyway, so we grab one of the 2x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a 2x10 plate. Then you put a 2x6 right here. And then you put a 2x3 brick right here, just like that. And then you put one of these again. Put them right there. Then you put another two, and then you put a 2x8 and a 2x2, like that. Then you put another one, a 2x2 angle. And you put a 1x6 tile and then another 1x6 tile, just like that. And for the next flat track, which is the last one, you grab a 2x8. Mine has technical holes in it, but yours doesn't have to. Then you put another 2x6, and then you put a 1x2 brick right there. Then you put one of these. Then you put one of these, like that. Did I do that correctly? Oh, shoot. You put one of these, and then you put one of these, and one of these. And then you put a 2x2 and another 2x2 tile, or I could use a 2x4. And before you go, we need to fix this one. Made a little mistake here. So yeah, so we were. Ooh, that's really bad for my fingernails. So you put this here like that, and then you put another one here. Oh, what's wrong with me today? And then you could grab a 1x2, one of these, and to fill it in like that, and then you put your tiles back on finally, and then like that, and then you put on this back on again, and yeah, you got these. Sorry if this was a long video, and sorry if I made some mistakes, but that's it for this video, and bye for now.